Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Droid Scripter. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create an animated countertext with Jetpack Compose. It's a great way to enhance the user experience in your Android app. So, let's dive in. First, we will create a function named text animation. We gonna add an optional parameter with the default value of 800 milliseconds, indicating the duration of the animation. Slide in vertically and fade in are two Compose animations used in combination with the together with operator. This means that both animations will be applied simultaneously. Slide in vertically is responsible for sliding the content into view from the bottom. It uses the tween animation specification with the specified duration. Fade in is responsible for fading in the content. It also uses the tween animation specification with the specified duration. Similarly, slidiote vertically and fade out are used in combination with the together with operator to apply both animations simultaneously. Now, we gonna make the display counter screen function. Here we will make a center text animated, and two buttons. First for stat and stop the counter, and second for reset the counter view text. The surface composable is used as the outermost container, and the box composable is used to center its content. Column is used to organize the content vertically, with center alignment. Initializes a state variable counter using mutable int_state_of, which is a state holder for integers in Compose. Animated content is employed to animate the transition when the counter value changes. It uses the text animation transition specification and the size transform to animate the size of the text. Spacer is used to create a vertical space between the counter display and the buttons. Row is used to arrange the buttons horizontally with center alignment. Two button composables are used to start or stop and reset the counter. Initializes a Boolean state variable isRunning to keep track of whether the counter is actively running. The launched effect is used to create a coroutine that increments the counter by 1 every second while isRunning is true. This simulates a timer-like behavior. The on-click actions of the buttons modify the state variables, isRunning, and counter accordingly. And there you have it. Our animated counter is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!